Are you thinking about getting a registered agent service in Fort Worth? Well, stick around because I'm going to reveal the huge mistake that most people make when choosing a registered agent. Plus, I'm going to explain how you can get your first year of registered agent service for free. And that's not a gimmick. We'll also cover who actually needs a registered agent, whether it can be your own, and how to pick the best one without overpaying. But first, let's make sure that we're all on the same page about what a registered agent actually is. Okay, so a registered agent is a person or company designated to receive official legal documents and government notices on behalf of your business. Now, for businesses operating in Fort Worth, this means someone who has a physical address in Texas and is available during business hours all year long to accept things like tax forms, legal papers, or lawsuit notices. Think of it like your business's official mail receiver, right? Keeping you in the loop and compliant with state rules. Now that that's out of the way, next we're going to cover here what businesses actually need to have one. So if you're running a business like an LLC, a corporation, or a limited partnership in Fort Worth or Texas overall, then having a registered agent is not optional, it's the law. This requirement exists to make sure that the government and anyone who might need to serve legal papers can reliably reach your business. The registered agent's job is to have a real Texas street address and be available during normal business hours all year long. This helps protect the public and keep your business in good standing with the state. So whether you're a local startup or an out-of-state company that's doing business here, you'll need this service. But before we jump in too deep here, here's one thing to keep in mind, right? So the registered agent requirement, it can look really simple on the surface, but it's one of those areas where small mistakes can cause some big headaches. That's why many business owners, including myself, choose to let a professional service handle it because it makes life a lot easier and honestly, it's surprisingly affordable. Now, I've personally used one platform that you can pay $39 to help you form your LLC or corporation, and then they include the first year of registered agent service for free. So if at any point during this video you decide that, letting a pro handle it, that just sounds easier and you want to check them out, go ahead and click right up here to learn a little bit more. Now, no pressure to click that link right now at all, but it is going to be out there throughout the whole video if you need it. That said, the next question people always ask is, well, should I just be my own registered agent instead? Well, let's cover that. So to be your own registered agent in Fort Worth, you need to be a Texas resident with a physical street address in the state. That means no PO boxes, and you have to be available during regular business hours all year long to accept documents. Now, the upside is that you save money by not paying a service. But the downside is that it can get tricky, right? If you're often out of the office or move frequently or want to keep your address private, it might not be a good fit. Plus, if you miss accepting an important document like, a lawsuit notice, it could cost your business serious trouble. Hiring a pro can take that worry right off your plate and add some privacy and reliability to the mix. So the question now is, well, should you hire a pro? And if you do, who should it be? Well, let's cover that here next. So most business owners, they go with a commercial registered agent because it means they don't have to worry about missing legal papers or exposing their address. One of the best value options out there is Northwest Registered Agent. Their standard price is about $125 per year for registered agent service. However, if you go through them to help form your LLC or corporation for $39, then, as I mentioned previously, that first year of agent service is included for free. And after that first year, it renews at the regular annual rate of $125. And when you stack that up against some of the other big names, the savings really do stand out. So Zen Business, they charge around $199 per year for registered agent service, and LegalZoom is even higher at roughly $249 per year. Over several years, going with a reasonably priced, high-quality provider like Northwest can keep hundreds of dollars in your business, which is money that you could put towards marketing, software, or your next hire instead of overpriced compliance fees. Oh, and one other bonus too. So when you file with Northwest, they allow you to use their business address on your paperwork, which means you won't have to share your address publicly and you can keep your privacy. So again, if you want to check out Northwest Registered Agent, just click right up here to save a few bucks and get the best possible pricing. That all said, some of you might still be shopping around, and that's totally fine. So what I want to do next is cover some of the common pitfalls that you need to avoid when looking at registered agent services. Choosing the wrong registered agent, that can really cost you. Now, one big red flag is services that hide fees or automatically charge you without clear consent. That trap can surprise your budget. You also want to avoid agents that don't have a physical office in Texas or use a private mailbox because official papers need to be delivered in person during business hours. Another mistake is overlooking privacy. So if your registered agent displays your personal address publicly, it can lead to unwanted contacts or even spam. Also, some cheaper agents, they don't send you your documents promptly, risking, missed deadlines or lawsuits. Just make sure that the service is reliable, communicates well, and gives you compliance reminders. Remember, a registered agent's job is not just to receive mail, but to keep your business protected and compliant at all times. So again, if you need a high quality registered agent that many people recommend with a very reasonable price, and you could use some help properly forming your business in the first place, you can click right up here to check out Northwest Registered Agent, as they'll help you stay in compliance year after year while you focus on what I'd say is the most important thing, right? Which is running a profitable business. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused and just need to clarify some things or need some clarification, go ahead and drop me a comment below and I'll do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.